Facebook, Snapchat, YouTube, Instagram, TikTok, Twitter, Likee. You are probably on all the social media handle. Why not learn how to monetize it? So in this video today, I'm going to share with you 6 proven ways that you can use to make money on social media without having a product. And if you watch this video till the end, I will also share with you tips on how you can sell anything to anyone on the internet. Plus, if you want to have access to this my online course all for free on psychology of media visibility and wealth creation, kindly comment how to make money with social media. And if all this interests you, kindly give me a like. If you have not subscribed to my channel yet, kindly do so. On this channel we talk about entrepreneurship, making money on the internet, and cryptocurrency. The first way you can make money on social media without having your own product is by promoting other people's products. This is called affiliate marketing, but I don't want to start mentioning affiliate marketing because I don't like the way some of the experts make you believe that for you to do affiliate marketing, you must have a landing page, you must have a lot of followers on social media, or you must have an email list and all that. Affiliate marketing is simply you promoting other people's products or services with a specific link, so that if anyone use that link to make a purchase, you get a commission for that. That is what affiliate marketing is all about. I know having a website and email list and following is also important, but that is not the main thing. You can get started with what you have. For what you have is more than enough. I use this video as an example. For this video alone, I think I made close to 500,000 naira because I register a particular website, and anybody that I refer to that website, I earn 1,000 naira. So as a lot of people, over 400, almost 500 people that sign up and activate their account, I earn 1,000 naira, and that is also affiliate marketing. So you can start with what you have. You can even go on Amazon, you can go on Jumia and register as an affiliate. You can just go from, after watching this video, Google affiliate marketing or those so products or those Jumia have affiliates. You see their link, you go and register, you start promoting their product. And I'm going to talk much on getting sales or promoting stuff on social media by the end of this video. All right. The second way you can also make money on social media without having your own product is by partnering with someone who have products that you like. Aside from, with affiliate marketing, it's just through link, but with partnership, meaning you can also have a physical product. All right. Like this one now, I bought it from someone and she sells it on the internet. The work of this right here is just for me to hang it, and the person I bought it from, she partnered with another person, and the person supplied to her after she makes sale before she now gets her own percentage. And I have this lady in Germany called UJV Beauty. That is what another thing should do. There are a lot of other products, other companies out there that you can just partner with them, and they will give you products or some things that you can sell, and you pay money, you pay them back later. So without even having money to start, there are a lot of things you can do. You can partner with people that have products. Like I also have a website that I'm working with them currently. That website is Nigerian based, meaning on that website I also put my own product up there. Anybody that go advertise it, you get sale, you get a particular commission for that. There are a lot of things that are really coming on. Please, if you have not liked this video, kindly like it. It means a lot to me. And if you have not subscribed to my channel yet, kindly do so. It really means a lot to me. The third way you can make money on social media without having your own product is through content creation. Right now, content creation is the in thing. Content creation is simply you putting out your own post. It must not necessarily be video, but video marketing has been in for a very long time, and it's not going down anytime soon. So you can start creating content. I used to tell people, if you are consuming more than you are making, that means you are really going into a big problem. Except if, as you are consuming now, you are also gathering your own information so that you can also start putting out something out there. And right now, when I'm talking about content creation, I so much love TikTok, and if you are not on TikTok, honestly, you are really missing out a lot. Right now, this channel, as I'm talking, I have 14,000 plus subscribers, but on TikTok, I have like 6,000 plus or thereabout, but I'm making more money on TikTok than on YouTube, all right? And there are different ways you can make money on TikTok, so if you want to learn that, you can ask in the comment section of this video. I will also link in the description of this video videos that I make on how you can also start your own TikTok, editing videos, and all that. All right, the fourth way you can make money on social media without having your own product is through influencer marketing, because becoming an influencer these days is so simple, unlike before now that people believe that you must have thousands and millions of followers. Now we even less than 500 followers on TikTok, you are already a brand influencer. As I mentioned before, now even on this channel, before I hit 1,000 subscribers, I have started already making money from my brand. All right, so don't allow anyone to deceive you. Those followers, those friends you have, you can also influence them by you creating content that is specific. All you need to do is be niche specific. Ensure that you are talking about a particular thing, that like anyone that comes to my channel now, you already know that it's all about entrepreneurship, making money on the internet, and cryptocurrency. So you, if you are putting out a post, first of all, know who are you posting for, and the type of content that you are posting will determine the type of brand that will start reaching out to you. All right, the fifth way you can make money on social media without having your own personal product is you doing white labeling. So white label is like, right now I will still use like this phone or this particular phone stand as an example. As you can see, it's not labeled, or t-shirt or whatsoever it is. You can just go on social media right now, or go online, or go on Google and search white label. You will see so many products that doesn't have label. So all you need to do is to reach out to them, so that you talk to them and they will put label on it. And on social media, you can advertise that product as your own brand. Is when people make a purchase that you reach out to those people, they will put the label on it and they will ship it to that particular customer. So social media has made a lot of things so easy. So you need to open your eyes to the opportunity that are around and available to you. All right, the sixth way you can make money or monetize your social media is through premium content. So as you can see, I started from the first one, second, third, because all these can fall into pleasant places if you can take it one step at a time. Right now, if you are a total newbie, you don't know anything that I've been talking about, you can start from promoting other people's products to partnering with other people to start creating your own content. And as you create your content, you start influencing people from there. You can also have your own physical product by using white label, then come premium content. All right, so it depends on the level that you are at right now. Premium content, as you can see, so many especially YouTubers now, you will see that they will start talking that if you are doing so thing, or you are into this, or let's say as I do this video, I can say you can join my Patreon where I talk in detail about this and that. So Patreon is like you having a premium content that you teach your followers and in depth, or give them some tips and tricks that you don't give in general. Like there are things now that I don't give out right here, I only give it to my one-on-one students. So you can also start creating premium content depending on the kind of people that you are attracting with your post, with your social media, and all that. All right. All right, yes, I know I promised you from the start that I'm going to show you how to sell anything to anyone on the internet. So here are the tips that you need to learn so that you can learn to attract buyers on the internet and sell your product or services. Tip number one is you need to take care of your profile. A lot of people used to ignore that, but no, please go to your profile. If you are not using your own picture, kindly go and do that. Your profile picture should be something from here to here. Don't put on the whole picture, because it's what your profile is saying that will determine either people will buy from you or not. The second thing is the problem with your name. A lot of us use different names on different social media handle. It is important you stick with one name. I am Ijaparijan on all my social media handle, and even if maybe you watch my YouTube channel and you feel I don't trust her enough, by the time you go Google my name, you see what Google is saying and all that, and you might just be starting out. If you are making that mistake, please try and adjust. It is important for people to know you with one specific name, and when writing your name, stop writing it and be adding sexy and bobsy and all that. All this will scare customers away. The third thing you need to do to attract buyers online is you need to build your KLT. I talk about KLT a lot. And what is KLT? KLT simply means know, like, and trust. So people need to know you before they will start liking you, before they trust you enough to buy from you. And how do you do that? For people to know you, you have to start posting, you have to start talking about it. Use your Instagram stories, use your Facebook story, use your WhatsApp status, use your TikTok and all that, so that you start posting consistently for people to know you, and they will begin to like you because you're consistent and you are giving them true, really tips that can help them in their business, in their day-to-day life, in the product that you are advertising, in the services you are doing. So you need to be posting so that they will know you and like you, and they will begin to trust you because you are consistent, because you, because you are human, because you are not using cat as your profile picture, because you do video time to time on your stories and all that. And I really went deeper about all this in this online course that I'm giving for free on psychology of media visibility and wealth creation. So if you want to have access to this particular one, kindly comment how to make money with social media. I hope that this help you a lot, all these tips to help you to monetize your social platform. And you need to really put in the time, put in the hard work, and try as much as you can to strictly use different things, different social media, to understand which one your customers are really based on. Like me before now, I really wasted a lot of time on Facebook. Meanwhile, my customers are actually on Instagram, YouTube, and now TikTok. So it is very important you take note of that. If you have not liked this video, kindly do that. It really means a lot to me. If you have not subscribed to my channel yet, kindly do so. On this channel, we talk about entrepreneurship, making money on the internet, and cryptocurrency.